Sorkar Jaka Klas Committee ban Khmihbniah ya Rukom Shim by School Jambaro ki School but College Haga Jila Kamtam Gito Kibayo Kila Chingrap Naga Sorkar Jila Pat Kide ban Sna ya Rukom Shim by School da Kabor La Kalong Kabarit ne Kaba Bon Henry Kande ban Long Katkum Kikirdan Ulaong ba u klem keno ba Kila Shim Kador Kaba Palat Ndai ga Sorkar Jila kan Khmihbniah ya Baro Kawai ka Rukom Shim by Klas Haga Jila Ong Myntri ka Tnat Pule Puthi ka Jila Rukom sangma hagasmi pale kat kumu je perkat jeng ula ong ba kade bandon laupot habashim karai halor kapai Klas kamtam hakito kilong yeng kibatot kayo kakot.
This is true, and like our Honorable's member of Legislative Assembly from BPP has raised this issue. Yes, sometimes I feel it is true because like I have record with me. I'll just give you an example. Like Kiang Nangba Government College. Kiang Nangba Government College for the BA degree courses, they are charging 7,460 rupees in 3 years. Kiang Nangba Government College has 98 faculty members sanctioned by the government. They are charging only 7,460. And also, like I'll just give them St. Anthony College. For St. Anthony College, government has sanctioned 101 sanctioned posts for the St. Anthony College, Shillong. So if you look at the fee structure, St. Anthony for BA courses, they are charging 69,020 in 3 years. Whereas the government college is just 7,460. In Garahas, in Tura Government College, they're charging only 15,260 in 3 years. Government College sanction post is only 86. And let's go to St. Mary's College here. For the St. Mary's College Shillong, government has sanctioned 65 number of government sanctioned posts. If you look at the fees structure of the St. Mary's College is 84,780 in 3 years. And suppose in St. Anthony College BA Media Technology, they are charging 1,19,120 in 3 years. So there's lots of variety, like what you call difference in their fees structure, even from the colleges who has been sanctioned by the government. These are the issue happening. So like in Tura Government College, government sanctioned post only 22, but they have a 60 college posts. Tura Government, I'll give an example. Tura Government College has only 22 number of government sanctioned posts, but they are having 60 on college sanctioned posts. If you look at the fees structure of the Tura Government College, day shift, they are charging only 63,150 for 22 government sanctioned posts and 60 college posts. Whereas in the St. Anthony College, if you look at the St. Anthony College now, St. Anthony College Shillong, government sanctioned post is 70. The Moscow Tura I have stated earlier, it's only how much? 22. 22. St. Edmund is 70 numbers of government sanctioned posts. But if you look at the fee structure of the St. Edmund College, they are charging 95,720 in a 3 year. There's a lot of difference. So it doesn't mean we will make them to cut it down, but government will set up the committee. We will study. So look, in the government college, they are always demanding from the government for the bus repairing, for the excursion, for small things. But if the government allow them to increase their fees, yes, they can use for the college development fund. So now whether these colleges funded by the government, whether they're charging huge fees, whether they are justified or not, let the college given the be given to the justification to the government first. We will explore all this. We will study the matter, and I think so. The like the some fee structure. I think to minimum and maximum. I feel at the interest of the students, at the interest of the parents. I think also feel at the interest of the student, we should also discuss, debate, and decide. But at the end of the day, it's not about the fees, it's about the quality. There may be some brilliant students who wants to take admission in such as a premier institutions, but in view of the such fee structure, they may not be able to. So I think we sometimes we should not debate what the objective it is. The existence of the institutions is to teach, is to make a better human being. I think that objective sometimes we forget why we stand here today. I think I would request every college institutions, we should recall our objective, why we are here today. We are here to serve the people, serve the children, to make a better human beings too. So I think we will set up the committee. I will ask the department to study on the fee structure of the different institutions. If they are justified, there may be difference. There may be requirement to colleges for the college building, for the administrations, for the development funds. If the expense is justified, it's well and good. But if not justified, something government, I think, for the interest of the students, I think we'll find a way to decide.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center